Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Mr. Elucidative. Today the topic of our video is a short story or summary of Shakespeare's famous play, Hamlet. Welcome back, fellow literature enthusiasts. Today, we have a real treat for you. We're diving into one of William Shakespeare's most iconic plays, Hamlet. But don't worry, we're not putting on a full-length performance. Instead, we'll give you a condensed version of the story, perfect for those who want to understand the essence of this classic tale. Act 1. The ghostly encounter. Our story begins at the royal palace in Denmark. Young Prince Hamlet is in mourning for his father's sudden death. Soon after, Hamlet encounters the ghost of his father, who reveals that he was murdered by Hamlet's uncle, Claudius, who is now the king. Act 2. A web of deception. Hamlet decides to feign madness to investigate his father's murder. Meanwhile, Claudius marries Hamlet's mother, Queen Gertrude. Hamlet's behavior raises suspicions among the court, especially Ophelia, the woman he loves. Act 3. The play within a play. Hamlet arranges for a play to be performed that mirrors the murder of his father. Claudius's reaction confirms Hamlet's suspicions. Claudius sends Hamlet to England with Rosencrantz and Guildenstern as escorts, intending to have him killed there. Act 4. Tragedy unfolds. Ophelia becomes unhinged due to Hamlet's erratic behavior and drowns herself. Laertes, Ophelia's brother, returns to avenge her death. A fencing match is arranged between Hamlet and Laertes, but it's rigged with poisoned swords. Act 5. The final act. The climactic fencing match takes place, leading to the deaths of Hamlet, Claudius, Laertes, and Queen Gertrude. Hamlet's dying wish is for Horatio to tell his story. And there you have it, a brief overview of the tragic tale of Hamlet by William Shakespeare. This play explores themes of revenge, madness, deception, and the complexity of human nature. It's no wonder Hamlet remains a timeless classic in the world of literature. If you enjoyed this summary, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more literary insights. If you have any other Shakespearean plays you'd like us to summarize, or if there's a different topic you'd like us to cover, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.